On what? On the scooter?
That's it, round 2. What are you shy for? What's wrong with that? You got to think of it as if he's a human being, you're a human being, and you want to make friends. You're positive, right? That's all it is. Nito la música, or like doable? It's done?
It's done for like anything hard. Like I can't even put my foot in a little push, you know?
Shoot. Can it just happen to a new board?
It wasn't new. I had a crack in it already. I'm skating my rail.
Remember the hubble last week that we jumped off that wasn't too high, but it was enough, and it was cold and my ankle was hurting? I kind of re-hurt my ankle a little bit, and the last week I've been taking it easy, and there's been some videos up on the channel, but those videos were already filmed. Today's my first day back in a week. I've been riding flat a little bit, kind of strengthening it up. It's not as bad as it was, but I am taking it easy. You can see the way I'm riding. I'm not doing like more than one whip just because of, I mean, you gotta catch everything when you're hurt. You don't want to land with that improper impact. We're at the skate park in New Jersey. This is in West Orange, New Jersey. Pretty cool park. I kind of wish we had parks like this because it's more ramps than anything. Be creative, there's a lot of different things. New York has its steves to skate parks and everything kind of feels the same. So you got a broken board, I got a broken ankle. We're useless today. Whoa. Since I'm old and wise, let me teach you how to bring some spare stuff with you.
Yeah.
And it's taller.
Oh, it feels like heavier than that,
I don't think New York has a good, decent size, middle size mini pipe. So we're gonna take advantage of this one here. I appreciate when people come and say I'm their favorite rider or their favorite YouTuber or anything like that, because I know what it feels like. My favorite person in sports is Daewon Song, and the reason why I like him is because he's very different and he takes obstacles and rides them completely different than anybody else. For example, mini pipes. You've seen Daewon Song ride mini pipes like a manual pad, and that interests me so much, and that's what we're gonna do on this manual pad. Since the ankle is kind of today, we're gonna try to do some manual, fake manual stuff, nose manual, fake nose manual stuff, and more stuff. What? What? Wait. What the hell? Why was that so good?
Well, I was trying it.
You sure?
Yeah, I swear. Because I did the board side already.
You can't be doing tricks that I can't do. This is kind of scary. Front side. Check this out.
Check it.
Stand right here for a sec.
All right. Here. On what? On the scooter?
That's it, round 2.
All right.
Rochambeau?
Yeah.
All right.